pretty crazy that today there are still editors who neglect how much sound effects can really make a huge difference in the overall performance of your clip. And I'm not just talking about any sound effects, but higher end sound effects. The sound amplifies the power of your clips, making them more compelling and professional. What if I tell you that you can have the best hand-picked SFX for every single sound on Earth? This is what Elite Sound Effects is all about. Learn more today and improve your content fast.